Every day, I reveal exclusive, insider-only product intel. Subscribe to effortlessly make your hard-earned money count. Many assume a pocket-size, cord-free blender can't tackle frozen fruit. Yet the Ninja BC151BK shatters ice like a kitchen counter monster. Field data shows hikers packing the vessel into day packs, then blending mango pineapple ice cubes into silky smoothies at 2,000+ feet, praising the ribbed vortex that keeps every fragment tumbling. Another pattern emerges from commuters who swear the sealed sip lid never leaks, even after a marathon subway ride, and they love the 30-second self-clean cycle that finishes with a splash of soap and water. A third signal notes the 7.4 volts rechargeable base holding steady for a full day of morning protein shakes, though a few early adopters mentioned the motor warming after the 10th blend. The compact handle feels like a sturdy grip, making it effortless to swing from desk to trail.